Good evening, friends. So today wonderful day. So we got 500 points in Bank Nifty today in a single trade with a stop loss of just 30 points. So I will show you proof. So what are all the proof and according to my scanner I traded and whatever the parameter, everything I will show you. Just wait. Yeah, friends, this is a charting platform. So in the charting platform, we have to give the condition and we have to give the parameters and we have to give the filters. So according to our filters, parameters and conditions, when it triggers, it will give you alert like it is scanner. Okay. So in that I created so many scans. So I created a Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday bullish scan. I created Nifty and Bank Nifty bearish scan, and I created a stock intraday bullish scan, stock intraday bearish, and swing trading for long. So I created the 5 scans. So I will show you. So here you have to go with the premium and alert section. So here is the alerts. So you can find it. So see, here I created so many things. Nifty crash and Nifty medium bullish and stock, and these are the stocks. Okay. So I give an alert for Nifty crash 2. Okay. So this is my scan. So this scan, we will see this scan is giving whatever signals or not today. So we will check in that. So just I will click on that. Yeah, this is a Nifty bearish, Nifty and Bank Nifty bearish scan. Okay, so these are all the trades. So in this, you can backtest a history and the previous which time it is alert given alert. You can backtest it. Your strategy also you can backtest it. Here the download file is there. I will download it and I will show you. Yeah. So in the last 3 months, we got this signal. So Nifty and as well as Bank Nifty. So you can take this screenshot and do cross check in the chart. So 1 to 31, take the screenshot. I repeat again, take the screenshot, and after that 31 to 43. So take this screenshot and cross verify. See, today I will highlight 25 January 2021 130. Bank Nifty is giving sell signal for me. Okay, so we will check in that also. We will check in the chart now. Okay, so I will go to the chart 1130. So Bank Nifty. So what is the Bank Nifty? So 1130. Yeah, exactly. So in the 1130, the Bank Nifty price is 31,620. So the stop loss is simple, previous candle high. In the 15 minutes, previous candle high. So this is my rules. So if you observe previous candle high, so it's a 31,635. So my entry is 620. Here 635. Exactly, we can't enter at the same 11:15, or you can enter 11:16, you can enter 11:20. That is not a problem. But according to my rules, you can take it. Your stop loss is 50 point also. If your stop loss is here, my stop loss is very very less. So, and after entering 31,620, it more than it fell down more than 600 point. Okay, so but we got 500 points. I closed earlierly, we got 500 points. So by giving 50 points, it's very less. 50 points in Bank Nifty, we got more than 500 points. Okay, and the stop loss is, according to me, my stop loss is only 20 points. So we got 500 points. If you are uncomfortable with the 50 points, you can give. If you are uncomfortable with 20 points in Bank Nifty, so if you have a fever, if you have to whether it will hit the stop loss or not, so you can give 50 points. 50 points is very 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 less in Bank Nifty. So 50 points stop loss and 500 points target today done. Okay, let me come into the scanner. Yeah, so that is over for that is Nifty bearish scan. So now I will show you Nifty bullish scan with a backtested data. So I will click on that. Yeah, so this is the backtested history of Nifty bullish scan intraday. So here I hided the parameters, whatever I have parameters and conditions and filters. I hided because of those who have taken my course. So in that I will reveal whatever the parameters I have. So this is a 4 years research method. So it is a 4 years research and trial and error method. Okay, so that also I will show you. So download the CSV file. Yeah. So in the last 3 months, we got a 58 trades. So in these 58 trades, only six trade in a loss. Only six trade in a loss. Out of 58, 52, we got good success ratio. Each and every trade, we got 80 plus points in Nifty, 300 plus points in Bank Nifty. Every successful trade, we got 80 plus point. Remaining six trade, we lost 20 points in Nifty, 50 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, so each and every trade we got 80 plus points in Nifty and 300 plus points in Bank Nifty. So you can take the screenshot from 1 to 31, and after that 31 to 58 also you can take the screenshot. So it is very very accuracy. You can cross check it. If anybody wants to learn this strategy, it's a 4 years research method. You just ping me. So I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. Thank you.